So for us, Cialfo is just not about saying applying to a university. For us, it comes down right when a student steps into high school. Having all their documents at one place. So that was that one tool for us to take them through the entire process of their high school journey.
They had only one portal where for US they could navigate their search at the universities on Cialfo, and also the same way for direct apply. And even for us to upload the documents on direct apply was much easier.
It has maximized my output, it has economized on my time, it is a one platform.
As a counselor, I'm very, very fond of the notes section. I can just see what I did last month, what I did last year, and what was discussed, what was done by student, what was not done. And this is how I can track the progress also.
I could use the platform to interact completely. I mean, I don't think I've done so much work as I could do and I really believe it is Cialfo.
The way that it's set up, it's really intuitive for students to use. I think they get it.
It's like a one-stop shop right now. They can search for colleges, they can view the recorded sessions as well. They can reach out to the counselor at any time through the app, and right now the direct apply is one of the hot favorites. So they can apply to universities with just one click.
The students really love the resume feature. They will all put all of their activities, all of their courses, their grades into Cialfo, and then click the button, and they can do their virtual applications to the work experience then, so that's really helpful.
I have found the Cialfo team very responsive. Whenever I've had hiccups, wherever I've got stuck, I just pick up the phone.
Your community that you have and the postings and your implementation of counsellor voices through your platform to offer their knowledge is really resourceful, but also just makes us feel as counsellors appreciated as part of a wider community.
So many experts are putting up their resources, their expertise, or their experiences from where I learn.
I believe I have evolved as a counselor, and I say thank you to Cialfo for that.